Alright guys, so welcome back, and today's video is especially for the user who have problem with the storage, with the disk space. They're running out of storage. They tried everything. So today in this video guys, I will be exploring a feature that run on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. It run in the background and even most of the people, they don't use it. But still it occupy a lot of storage from your main primary partition. Okay, so the feature I'm talking about is Hibernate, and there is a service by the name hiberfil.sys. That is a service of Hibernate, and it runs in the background of your Windows 10 and 11 and occupy more than 6 GB of storage from your main partition. So first let me show you that where this file is being located and how much space does it take. Now in order to view this file, probably you will have to use a third-party tool like the Vistry or the Everything toolbar. If you don't have any one of them, you can go ahead and download it. It's very simple. I have Everything toolbar, so I will just bring it up and I will search here hiberfil and I will get a file immediately, hiberfil.sys. And if I hover up on it, on my end you can see it shows me that it take around size 6.11 GB. Now if I make a right click on it, you can view the path here. But if I bring up the properties, I can get more detail. Like it's a system file open with the unknown application. And the location is C drive, the size is 6.11 GB. And on your side, probably, if you're using a laptop, then it might show some more space occupied. For some of you, it might be less. But I'm pretty sure it should be around 6 GB. Alright, so now as you know that how much space it's occupying on your drive, you won't be able to directly delete it or disable from here. You will have to disable the Hibernate completely from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if you are still not sure about the Hibernate, then it's a power saving state that save your document and running application to your drive. So the next time when you turn on the computer, it allows to resume the same document and application. These are especially used by the laptop user, people working on any active project, or for the user who are living in a location where are frequent power cut. So they are mostly using the Hibernate feature. And if you click on the Windows icon, go to power icon here, you will be getting the Hibernate option. So now I believe that many of you might be using this feature, but if you are not using the Hibernate feature, then let's see how exactly you have to disable. First, you will have to click on Windows search, type control, click on control panel. Here on the right and top, you will have to view by large icons so that you can see all the application icon here, and then you will have to look for the power options. Click on it. Then here from the left hand side, click choose what the power button do. And here only you will be getting all the shutdown setting option. So first you have to click on change setting that are currently unavailable. And all these options will be highlighted now, and you can see on my end the Hibernate option has been checked and it's been enabled. So I will just uncheck it and click on save changes. Then you can close it, and then again one more time click on Windows search, type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell, choose run as administrator, click on yes, and here you will have to run a very simple command, and that will be power cfg space / Hibernate space off and hit the enter key. Okay, so once done, now in order to verify whether the Hibernate has been enabled or disabled, you can run another command to verify, and that will be power cfg space / available sleep and states. Alright, I will leave the command in the description, and then if you hit the enter key, it will give you the status here that the Hibernate that has not been enabled. Even it give you the status of all the other services like the fast startup and the hybrid sleep. Okay, so what you have to look for Hibernate, and it says hibernation has not been enabled. So that's exactly what we have to confirm. So now if you go ahead and close it and again bring up the everything and search for Hiber, so you won't be getting the hiberfil again because it has been disabled, and of course the storage has been extended now that was being occupied by the hibernation service. So of course you will be enjoying now the 6 GB of additional storage that was being occupied by a different service. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, found the information useful. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.